Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, roof rack, rear view camera. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.